Atongoi nzama ya Uneenan'Ya kati wa Silikali na Ulei Kalonzo Musyoka na Kimani Ichung'wah measya kana Uneenan'Ya o withela Matuku mwei na atatu mwei o na muvango wa kukulya kwongelangwa Matuku thanthatu mwei o nzama ine bani kukomana na muvya wake na ndo mwaki na waki pamwe na ataalamu wangi meki bathukanyo kuneenan'isya yulwa kwolanga ngalama ya mekalile ilende na kuvinyia mwenenthi. Joseph Kuthela nukutwelesya.
Nzama ile ya kuwe ya withia kati wa Silikali na ngaliko Ulei kana National Dialogue Committee yikwari kumina uyabwa yuko Matuku mwei na ili mwei huwe kumi na umwe.
We propose to complete our work by the 22nd. I think that's what yeah. By the 22nd of November, because we don't want to seek any extension. We want to be able to be done over with this whole thing. Kwa hivyo hiyo ndio mpangilio ambao tuko nao.
Kuna na ndongo inene ile tongwe si Uneenan'Ya u evo mutongo wa Dr. Kalonzo Musyoka na ndongo yala ingi mbunge nene Kimani Ichung'wah nikana nzama ino nitatite hulu votonyeka kusovya ivinda nikenda kukwata usungi wa maundu manene anamokilitwe Uneenan'Yani u.
Bado kuna wengine ambao leo tulikuwa tuwatarajia, lakini kwa sababu ya hali ya makalenda zao tukaona kwamba tutawasikiliza Jumatatu ijayo. Kisha baadaye team zenyewe zitajaribu kuyatatua yale ambayo yako pale. Sio kuyatatua, wengine wenye ushawishi mkubwa, wengine ushawishi mdogo hivi, lakini hatua ambayo tutachukua sisi wenyewe itabainika wazi baada ya kuwasikiliza wote.
Uneenan'Ya munene ulotwe kwa oyu wangalama ya mekalile kana cost of living ni werete wamwe ene yandake buthukanyo na ataalamu ma maundu maukwati nikenda kutethesya Silikali hundu itonya kwika kuthesya ene nthi muswa umwito.
So we resolved that because today we were supposed to get Minister of Housing to make presentation, but they were not available, so we've agreed that they will join with the Treasury team and the energy team on Monday, and we're also going to get other experts so that we are not just going to be dealing with implementers of these taxation proposals in order to get a balanced view to enable the work of this committee. We'd want to hear other experts as well.
Kuna na tongo yali nzama ini kana meiti wa maiko manaingi wakana usitu wendete nikaenda kuende ya ukwata maoni bewa mkuthi uwa manaingi kikalo kimwanya kilame ukita kwa kisungu retreat Matuku ekumi na ili mwei o vala makedhi wa mayumbania ripoti imwanya na kumetuwa mbe wa President William Ruto na murongo wa Azimio Raila Odinga na indi jituambe wa mbunge Kuneenan'Ya.
Wakenya wako na akili maalum za ajabu.
You have seen the kind of, I'm certain you were here yesterday.
Hey.
You've seen how enriching the engagements we had yesterday with our own local economic experts were. Yeah. And they're even more appraised with local issues than even those in the Bretton Woods institutions. Therefore, since they have not confirmed, we have not scheduled them, since they have not confirmed appearance.
Yeah.
As His Excellency has said, by Thursday, we shall now review and consider as a committee all the proposals that will have come to us from all the experts, and thereafter retreat to do the final report. And as His Excellency has said, on or before the 22nd, we expect to give the final report to the principals and also table our report before Parliament, both houses.
Joseph Kuthela ingilivote vlingi wa mauvu va Atongoi TV.